but only love can save. Try again, walk away, but I believe for you and me the sun will shine one day. So I just play my part and pray you have a change of heart.
It's something only love can do. In your arms as the dawn is breaking.
Happy birthday! Anniversary po sa inyo. Ayan. Isang round. Ayan. Happy first anniversary po sa inyo.
Before my eyes.
Thank you po. Oh, may pa-extra.
Hearts to take.
May pa-teddy bear pa. Nandiyan pala si sir. Ayan. From Daraga pa po kami, mama, para ma-deliver lang po para sa inyo. Ayan.
May pa-extra.
At may cake din po tayo. Happy first wedding anniversary, May. Ayan. Ayan, syempre ma'am, may message po sa inyo. Yung nag-iisang asawa po. Galing po kay Sir Vigil. Ayan. Ito po yung message niya. Makinig po po, ma'am. You are the one thing in my life that I am completely sure about. I love you for as long as I live. The rest we can handle together as it comes. Happy first wedding anniversary, May. I will always love you for the rest of my life. Sana, kakilig naman. Pati si nanay nakikinig din sa message ni Sir. Ayan, ma'am, ano pa yung message mo sa iyong asawa po kay Sir Reggie po?
Thank you po.
Ayan na dyan siya. Anong gusto mo sabihin po?
Pasaway, kala ko nag-order ka rin naman. Wala akong budget.
Pupuktian ka daw, sir.
Oo, yung kinuha ko lang, sapat lang na Kaso,
Ayan, ma'am, syempre, hindi lang po ito. May harana po para sa inyo. Kakantahan ka po ni Sir John. Sige po.
thank you.
Bye, magustuhan niyo, ma'am.
Ibaba natin to.
Okay, sige. Papapakalan mo. Diyan na lang sa mga. Para rinig talaga ni ma'am. Yung kanta.
Sana magustuhan niyo.
Request mo ni Sir John.
I may burn out like a candle, and I may pass away. I may fall just like a shooting star. My heart will say, be yours until forever. Forever I'll be true to the promise I have made. From the day that I found you, forever you're in my heart. Even if we're apart, I say forever I'll be yours. Forever I love you. I say forever I'll be yours. Forever I love you. My love will never fade away. Even if I die, and I will love you until the end of time. Even without your smile, so help me please. I'll beg you to walk the way I need you. Just stay with me by my side. No. Meron pa bang isa?
Wala, ang dami naman rin.
Ay, hindi pa yan, ma'am. Ano pa yan? 12.
12 lang naman. 2 a.m. and the rain is falling. Here we are at the crossroads once again. You're telling me you're so confused, you can't make up your mind. Is this meant to be? You're asking me, but only love can say. Try again to walk away, but I believe that you and me, the sun will shine again. So I'll just play the part and pray you have to change your heart, but I can make you see it true. There's something only love can do. In your arms as the dawn is breaking, face to face and 1,000 miles apart. Trying my best to make you see this hope beyond the bed if we give enough.
So, ma'am, baka may dagdag message ka po. Ano po yung... Okay na po? Okay na?
Okay na.
Anong gusto niyo sabihin po?
Thank you sa pa-surprise. Very unexpected. Talagang really
Ayan, so na nagustuhan niyo, ma'am, yung sorpresa ni sir. Ayan, may pahabol pang regalo sa'yo. Hindi lang to, mama.
Ala?
Ano kaya yun, ma'am?
Bayaran ba yan?
Malay mo.
Actually, totoo.
Si Odi.
Ito po yung pahabol sorpresa po sa inyo.
Ala?
Huwag kang magugulat na.
Ayan, may maling cookie pa para sa inyo. Sana all talaga.
May ano na?
May pang ano,
Pambili
panggat.
ng diaper.
Pambili ng diaper tsaka gatas, no? Ayan, kaya ba, ma'am? Ayan, basta pera, kaya. Ayan. Ayan, baka may pahabol message ka pa sa inyong mister po.
Thank you so
Yung
much.
chocolates. Chocolate.
Love you, di.
Chocolate.
Mamaya na lang.
Ayan, so,
Thank you,
meron
thank
pa?
you.
Walang problema yan. Ayan, thank you so much po. Last question po, ma'am. Ano po yung naramdaman mo yung
Kala ko
sorpresa
talaga,
po?
may babayaran ako.
Na-prank ka, ma'am, no?
Oo,
Ayan.
wala akong cash ako.
Ayun ba, ayun, meron na.
Okay, meron ako.
Ayan, bago tayo magtapos, ma'am, from ANB, gift shop and flower shop. From Daraga, Albay pa po
Oh,
kami.
thank you so much.
Ayan, sana napasaya ka namin, ma'am. Ayan. Picture na po tayo, ma'am. Okay na po ba?
Kahit ganito ako.
Walang problema yan.
2 a.m. and the rain, it's falling. Here we are at the crossroads once again. You're telling me you're so confused, you can't make up your mind. It is meant to be. You're asking me, but only love can say. Try again, walk away, but I believe for you and me the sun will shine one day. So I